In today's video, traders, we're going to be talking a little bit about a steamy subject. This is going to be talking about multi-level Forex marketing companies, my honest opinions, and what I would personally how I would handle these situations with multi-level marketing companies in the Forex world. Let's go ahead and dive into it right now. Hey traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now today we're going to be talking about a little bit something different, but I think it is relevant to those of you guys who are actively trading in the currency market. You probably have seen or heard of some of the different multi-level Forex marketing companies. Now I'm not going to name any names. It's not what we're about here on the YouTube channel, but the idea here is talking generally about the concept of multi-level marketing companies in the world of Forex. Now Forex, of course, is about trading and investing, but multi-level marketing companies add a little bit of a twist to it. The idea here with a multi-level marketing company is, if you're not so familiar, is basically the idea of using affiliate programs to allow people to recruit more people into the business and to recruit on and on and on. So let me explain what that means. Let's say that Jeff here, we'll just give him a stick figure body. He is happy and he's decided that he wants to trade Forex, but he doesn't have a lot of money. Well, these multi-level marketing companies, they say, hey, you can come change your life. We're going to teach you how to trade. We're going to teach you how to also build some positive income on the side. All sounds good, right? Well, the problem is that, okay, my opinion with this is it gets sketchy really quickly. We're here to learn about Forex and how to grow money in the currency market, but very quickly these companies talk about ways to make money through not actually trading, but through selling products and selling things. Now I have to be careful here because I do sell products. I run a business around Forex, but I want to talk more specifically about multi-level and affiliate-based companies because I think there's a conflict of interest, and so we're going to talk about that. So Jeff here decides that he wants to trade Forex. He also wants to do some multi-level marketing for a company, and so he decides that, okay, well, the company says in order for him to make some amount of money, he needs to get some number of people to recruit underneath him, let's say 2. So what he does is he goes to his friends who also may be interested in making some extra money and learning about Forex, and so they start kind of signing up under Jeff's names. And the idea here is that Jeff is making money because he has recruited, this person A and B to be involved in the company as well. So he signed them up to purchase tools or products or services, or even just to join the club, join the community, whatever it is, right? There's usually this person gets some money for signing up these people, gets an affiliate for them being signed up. Now, again, they're sold the same idea. This is all about Forex trading, but if you want to really make money, go ahead and recruit more people underneath you, get more people in to kind of grow the business and to, again, create that passive income. And these people pay this person and this person gets paid by all the people underneath, right? And it goes on and on and on. And the problem that I personally have with this, and again, this is my opinion, everybody make your own decision at the end of the day, but the problem I have with this is this becomes kind of not necessarily a pure intention business in my opinion. And here's why. You have these people who are very, very interested in creating, inevitably for them to make good money, they're going to make a good bit of money by just recruiting more people into the company rather than focusing on what we initially came here for, which was talking about Forex and learning about how to trade and how to invest and how to grow money in the currency market, right? So again, there's a conflict of interest here because people start to focus way more on this, the recruiting, the marketing, getting more people invested into this business because everybody is incentivized. And that's where the conflict of interest comes in. This person and everybody underneath him becomes incentivized to sell more product in order to make more money themselves. Now, there's another level to this. A lot of times businesses themselves, right, will basically say that in order to continue to make money from all of these people below you, you need to stay paying for the products and services yourself, which adds another level of, okay, well, this person, in order just to continue to quote unquote learn Forex, right, they need to keep, growing and compounding and grabbing more people into the business. Now, again, affiliate marketing is not necessarily an evil thing. And I'm not trying to say that this is a terrible, terrible thing and that you shouldn't, even consider this. What I'm trying to say is that there, to me, seems like kind of a conflict of interest. We're supposed to be learning about Forex. We're supposed to be learning how to grow, a trading account and how to compound that and to build wealth doing that, where everybody starts to get so focused on making money through the affiliate programs and getting more people involved and marketing and selling the idea of trading Forex rather than actually focusing on the real things. Now, again, I'm not naming any names. You guys have probably seen them. There's multiple big companies that do this sort of thing. And again, to me, it becomes more about the marketing and less about the trading Forex. So my personal opinion is I avoid these companies. I always have. Again, I have a company where I sell products and services, but I don't really like the idea of having huge affiliate programs with, signing people up and convince them to sign up, because it becomes more about convincing people to join rather than offering genuine value and growing the company in a meaningful way, right? To me, it makes sense that a company should grow if they provide value, not a company should grow by getting more people to invest, and from there kind of it builds and builds, right? Some people would even say it goes as far as this sort of concept being a pyramid scheme. That's up for debate as well. But my personal opinion is that there is some sort of conflict of interest, and because these people on the top are making so much money from recruiting more and more, it becomes way more about recruiting than it does about the underlying concept, which is the Forex trading. Now, I will say that there are some things, in my opinion, that are somewhat comparable to pyramid schemes in the sense that it becomes less about the product and more about the recruiting, right? I'll give you guys a very similar scenario and I'll let you make your own decision. Let's say that this person here decides they are going to start a company where they sell, let's say products for skin, right? So they sell skincare, and they decide, okay, I'm going to recruit 2 more people under me, and these people are also going to be selling my products, and they're going to be getting a commission for what they make. Now, this person at top, of course, gets a chunk of the sale as well, and so on and so forth, right? So you have these people who their incentive is to recruit more people to so forth and so on, collect more commissions from the people below them. Now, to tack on another component to that, in order for them to, stay involved, this person and this person, they still have to pay for the products themselves, right? So this person sells them the products and says, hey, I'm going to give you some product to sell, but you need to continue to be a buyer yourself. And then you get more people involved, and it just goes on. And I've seen a lot of people get caught up in these scenarios, right? Where they get stuck with, they've invested a lot of money just to get involved, right? So to initially get involved, this person has to put up money themselves to buy the products in order to sell it, right? Well, now they're in the hole, let's say $500 to $1,000. In order to get out of that situation, they might have a hard time selling those products because oftentimes they might be overpriced. Oftentimes they're not worth what they are charging, right? That's, again, up to debate. And of course, I'm not making any names or claiming anybody, but I'm just sharing the general concepts, right? So with the 2 people below, now they're involved. They have the same scenario. In order for them to get out of the hole where they spent all that money to get in product, they need to recruit more people. And it just goes on and on and on, right? And so my idea here is that it becomes very much about the recruiting process, and it becomes very much about, continuing to grow the business from, getting more people below you so that you can actually make money, rather than the true thing, which is selling a genuine product or even just using a genuine product that you like. So that's my personal opinion when it comes to multi-level companies in general. I personally will avoid them. They're not really, to me, there's a conflict of interest, and they always feel a little bit sketchy, and reaching out to family and friends for business is something that I completely avoid. I try never to do that, and never to, push business or any sort of thing on that. And a lot of times these people who are trying to get themselves out of a multi-level marketing situation, they're trying to push products on their friends because they know it's a likely easier sale, and they're in a hole, so they want to try and sell that product. So it just gets ugly, because a lot of times that means that the people below you become your friends, and they become, in a situation where, man, I'm down the hole $1,000. What can I do here? So, that's my personal opinion. I personally avoid them. I find them kind of ugly. I find them a little bit, I just have a distaste for them because I know some people who have gotten caught up in that. So that, of course, is my opinion there on multi-level companies, including the ones that are in the Forex world. That's just my personal opinion. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got something out of it. We'll see you next time.